In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on CELR future while talking about Celer organization cost conjecture for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to generally think about this and any really other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand in every practical sense, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Celer organization in a significant manner. Presently, we should head into it in a significant manner before we dive profound into the Celer organization value expectation and answer questions in the event that CELR is a very wise venture or not. For what reason will CELR for the most part succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Celer organization value rise or drop? We should rapidly by and large toss a look at what for the most part is CELR and its to-date history, which generally is very huge. What in every practical sense is Celer organization? Sent off in WALC 2019. Celer organization essentially is a layer 2 scaling arrangement using shrewd agreements and carrying exchanges off-chain to truly give quick and exceptionally minimal expense blockchain applications to major blockchains, which is very critical. Use cases for CELR token in a fundamentally large manner. CELR's by and large essential use case for the most part is as a stage cache. However, it can likewise be utilized for different capabilities. For example, confirmation of liquidity (POLC) generally is a virtual mining process that gives liquidity to the off-chain environment in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Clients who secure CELR tokens for quite a while really are subsequently compensated with more CELR tokens in an unobtrusive manner. State Watchman Organization (OSGN) sort of is an extraordinary side chain that permits any client to present their state prior to going disconnected to by and large have it safeguarded for a while. Clients pay a charge for this security in a genuinely significant manner. CELR token holders can stake their tokens to acquire administration charges for giving security. CELR value expectation for the sort of next 90 days, which is very critical. The kind of entire crypto world for the most part is on an edge of an undeniable basically bear market. Bitcoin basically has drooped half from its unsurpassed kind of high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increment. Financial backers fundamentally are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto explicitly is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe essentially play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the by and large second piece of the year, which is genuinely huge. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts, or so they especially thought. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to sort of find a neighborhood base before we can move in the fundamentally inverse course and alter the course in an unobtrusive manner. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to basically do likewise. We fundamentally have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the very next 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each undertaking, which is genuinely critical. Essentials that we really assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few fundamentally other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab, which generally is genuinely critical. 2022 1120, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Plus 4.26% $0 0131 2022 1121, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Plus 0.09% $0 0125 2022 1122 2.01% $0 0123 2022 1123, or so they truly thought. Plus 3.32% $0 0129 2022 1124 in an exceptionally enormous manner. 0.87% $0 0124 2022 1125. Plus 4.81% $0 0131 2022 1126 in a significant manner. Plus 1.19% $0 0127 2022 1127. 1.33% $0 0124 2022 1128, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. 1.85% $0 0123 2022 1129, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. 0.47% $0 0125 2022 1130. +2.45% 1 cent Celer Organization Value Expectation 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the main quarter of 2022 preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversion. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner, which generally is very huge. Underneath for the most part is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022 deck. 6.04% $0, 0118, 2023 Jan in an unobtrusive manner. Plus 0.33% $0, 0126, 2023 Feb. Plus 7.34% $0, 0134, 2023 Blemish. Plus 10.55% $0, 0138, 2023 APRA. Plus 20.43% $0, 0151, 2023 May. Plus 27.66% $0, 0160, 2023 Jun in an unobtrusive manner. Plus 28.29% $0, 0161, 2023 Joel, or so they thought. Plus 33.39% $0, 0167, 2023 All. Plus 35.35% $0, 0169, 2023 SEP in an extremely huge manner. Plus 43.37% $0, 0180, 2023 Oct in an unpretentious manner. Plus 49.88% $0, 0188, 2023 Na. Plus 53.00% 1 cent CELR value expectation 2025 to 2030 2040 in opposition to prevalent thinking. Our expectation model sees CELR coming to 3 cents in 2025. What will CELR most certainly be by and large worth in 5 years in a genuinely huge manner? The cost of CELR in 5 years could lie around 2 cents. What Celer Organization will be all things considered worth in 2030, which is very critical. Our anticipating model sees Celer Organization coming to 9 cents in 2030. What Celer Organization will be in every way that really matters, worth in 2040 in an unpretentious way. Our anticipating model sees Celer Organization coming to 18 cents in 2040. Will Celer Organization supplant, basically outperform, truly surpass Bitcoin? No, Celer Organization won't trade or all things considered, overwhelm BTC. Might Celer range at any point reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Celer Organization to reach $10 in the short or mid-term period. Is Celer Organization worth purchasing? We are promoters of modestly unsafe financial planning. Put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of large cap coins and the rest in little ventures with immense potential gain. Or so they thought. Thus, in this specific situation, Celer Organization fundamentally merits purchasing. Is Celer Organization a wise venture? Or so they for the most part thought. Celer Organization is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a hazardous speculation, which sort of is very huge. It accomplishes in every way that really matters, have genuinely higher likelihood of going up than down in view of the generally excellent